Good morning, everyone. It's 16th September. Let's quickly look at the headlines of the day in the Indian Express newspaper. The first headline says, no stay on Waqf law, but Supreme Court puts in guardrails. Very important for polity and governance, paper 2 perspective. Then we have, first after Trump imposed 50% tariff, US negotiated in Delhi for trade talks, important for international relations as well as economy perspective. Moving ahead, we have nearly 45% of quality controls or control orders issues in 3 years. MSME complaint, very important for economy perspective. Then IRS officer's wife posted at Supreme Court told to explain hotel on their land in Panna. Very important case study for ethics, paper 4 perspective. Moving ahead, we have sandstone flaking, black crust, red fort faces burnt of pollution, important for infrastructure as well as environment perspective. Moving ahead, we have capital saw dip in sex ratio birth rate in 2024, says government report, important for paper 1 society perspective. Then moving ahead, we have women empowerment imperative and economic necessity, says Birla, very important for society as well as paper 3 economy perspective. Moving ahead, we have the editorial page. Editorial page is always important for exam related information. So we have the first editorial. Policing charities, SC interim order offers no relief from problematic provisions of Waqf law, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have second editorial, a call to reason. Israel should heed message of UN General Assembly resolution on two-state solution. It cannot have security by force alone, very important for international relations perspective. Then the third editorial, the don'ts of SIR, important for polity and governance perspective. Again, the last editorial, it never rains, it pours. In Uttarakhand, the quiet churn of climate change and seasons out of rhythm, important for environment perspective. Then we have Supreme Court's order on Waqf Act, very important for paper 2 polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have checkmate, plans for a second indigenous population of cheetahs in Madhya Pradesh, very important for environment perspective. Moving ahead, we have the world page. Here are all the news important for international relations perspective. Rubio urges Qatar to continue with talks role as Israel batters Gaza City. US-China reach framework deal on TikTok. Trump and Xi Jinping to speak on Friday. Then Spain, anti-Israel protests bring early end to annual cycle race. US military officers make surprise visit to Belarus to observe war games with Russia. Then we have US, South Korea, Japan conduct joint military drill. Then in the economy page, we have unemployment rate falls, female youth jobless in August, very important for economy perspective. And at last, we have we should keep AI under our reins for the common good, says Sitaraman, very important for science and tech perspective. That's it for today. I will see you again in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.